brand new together. I know you've had this done a lot, but this is new for us, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So just let me know if anything's a little too much, too fast, or if anything's uncomfortable at all. I know you feel that guy, this guy here. All this though, you got that guy, right? Bend at your tummy just a little bit. Like I said, you're flexible, but there's segmental restriction. You feel this guy here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a lot. There's a lot kind of right through here. That's where I want to start. Okay, Em, I want you to stay seated, kick your legs off the edge that way, please. Just like me here. And then chin down. Okay. And kind of stay bent like this. We're going to go all the way back to the table here. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Back here. This tuck here. Right there. That's the one I want. Good. Let's get you on your tummy, face down. Okay. All right. Now, down this way just a little bit, please. Yeah, good. We're going to work top down and come and check your neck just last, okay? Good. Very good up top right there.
No one's ever been able to do that.
Drop your arms off the side here. Same thing. Chin up just a touch here. Right like that, okay? We're going to try this other side. Hold tight. Yeah, just kind of let this. There it goes.
That felt. I said that felt. That's not.
Yeah. That felt good though, for sure.
It was so good you felt it? Yeah.
I can feel it. I can feel it up here for sure. All right, Em, we got one right here. Are you ready?
Yep.
I want breath. Hold. Don't blow out. Hold your breath. Hold it. Exhale. Better. On your side, face towards me. You know I'm going light today too, right? We can do more later. I just kind of want to ease you into this, but I do want to get your results quickly. Here, just there, good. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go right like this. His bottom hip's got to scoot towards me just a tiny, right there. We need to put this low back into a little flexion, so I'm going to bring your knee kind of up towards your tummy this way. So just kind of rock with me up. Good.
Whoa. That one was loud. It was.
Let's try this side. Same thing here. Okay. This is really close. I need to bring your shoulder just here. Right like that. Here. Yes, got to come forward just a touch. A little more though, right there. Okay, same thing. We're going to hold it here. Okay, squeeze right here for me.
I heard it
All
though.
right. Yeah, it's ready to go, isn't it? Now, we are going to kind of rock like this. I got to get a little higher.
Ooh.
Let's get you on your back, face up. Better? Just a little bit here. Little more. You feel that guy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this one,
Yep.
for sure. Let this fall. There you go. Here. See one right there. See two right there. See four. Better.
Mm-hmm.
You think we should try the?
Yes.
I think we should try the thing. We're gonna do it light, but I think everything has gone very well so far. So I want you to slide down, your knees barely dangling off that ledge. Rest your head, please. Stay there. Yeah, come with me, come with me.
How did it feel?
Ooh.
I'm not sure. It's not. I didn't feel it where I thought I would feel it.
How'd you feel it?
I feel it more right here.
Yeah, I wanted to hook really low.
Yeah.
I don't want to go up to C1 just yet.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's the first time, so I gotta kind of take it easy. So yeah. How's it?
Very strange sound.
Moved a lot, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it feel overall?
Um,
How about stand up? Because you're gonna be able to tell a lot better on your feet. Because we did a lot. Yeah. Yeah. How's that?
I can take a deep breath.
Nice.
Yeah, a relief. I can take a deep breath.
How's your head?
My head on my neck is so much more loose. Like, it almost feels like a balloon.
It's light.
Yeah,
That tension's
that
gone away,
tension's
huh?
on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. What if?
and my feet are very planted into the ground.
Yeah, grounded now,
Yeah.
huh? Feeling kind of more centered,
I
right?
am much more